In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use ChatGPT Atlas to gather concise information on any topic you're interested in exploring. Whether it's for academic research, personal knowledge, or simply satisfying your curiosity, this tool can streamline the process of sifting through a vast array of information available online. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open ChatGPT Atlas. This platform combines advanced AI technology with a user-friendly interface, allowing you to research topics by quickly navigating and summarizing web pages. Once you have ChatGPT Atlas open, you'll find that it provides a seamless start to your research journey. Next, you'll need to determine the topic you are interested in. For today's demonstration, we'll be looking into the topic of what we know about climate change. Simply type this topic into the search bar provided on the platform. This intuitive setup allows you to enter any subject, offering you the flexibility to explore a wide range of areas from science and technology to history, health, and beyond. Once you've typed in your topic, the platform will present you with various website links related to your area of interest. Take a moment to browse through these options. Each link represents a different perspective or aspect of your topic. When you find a website that seems useful, click on it to delve deeper into the content. After selecting a website, it's time to make use of the sidebar's powerful features. Here, you will find an option to create a prompt. This is where you can ask ChatGPT Atlas to summarize the web page for you. In our case, we'll ask it to summarize this page. By generating a prompt, you're leveraging the AI's capabilities to distill complex information into clear, digestible insights, saving you precious time and effort. Once you've formulated your prompt, go ahead and click the Submit button. The system will quickly process your request, providing you with a streamlined summary of the web page content. This summary gives you a focused understanding of the material, enabling you to pinpoint the most pertinent facts, arguments, and insights about climate change or any other topic you're reviewing. Using ChatGPT Atlas in this manner not only enhances your efficiency, but also ensures that you're interacting with credible and comprehensive sources of information. This practice can significantly support your efforts whether you are conducting in-depth research or seeking a brief overview of key topics. So there you have it, a simple, effective way to use advanced AI tools like ChatGPT Atlas to become well-informed on any subject matter. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we'll see you next time with more tips and tricks to elevate your online research experience.